Okay, so I got my Walmart winter Trendsetter beauty box, and here it is. My back is shot today. I can barely move, so I'm going to be setting everything in a chair. It's probably going to be very close up. I apologize, but that's all I got to work with right now. So, first item, CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. Next up is a 1.75 ounce Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream. I'll show you that up close. Next item is a Dove Deep Moisture Nutrient Body Wash. Next is a 2 ounce Crittle Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I'm hoping I don't have to apply this when my skin's wet because I don't like doing that. Next up is a L'Oreal Advanced Hair Care Smooth Intense Ultimate Straightening Shampoo, straightening conditioner, and Cara Tourmaline Straight Boosting Pre-Conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and slide that under here like that because I'm running out of room. I apologize. Next up is a Garnier Whole Blends Green Apple Green Tea. It looks like shampoo and conditioner. Boy, it is a long day for me today. Tell you what. And that's it. Very small. Didn't expect much because, like I said, I never get what everyone else gets, and I've always gypped a few products. So that is what I got, guys. There are the products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.